How to manage the notes track on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage the notes track on Google Chrome mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Chrome and then click this 3 points here on the top corner, this one, and then click here, settings, and now go down and you will find this one here, privacy and security. Click on it and then all you need to do is just find this one here, do not track, and if you want to turn it on, just one click, and as you see the not track has been turned on. And if you want to turn it off again, just click on it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.